Hey guys, so today we're taking the frame to get powder coated up in Bowling Green. So let's get on to the drive. Hey guys, so we just got to the place where we're dropping off the frame to get powder coated. The place is called Z&T Custom Coatings. So we're also getting it done in a silver gray. And back to work. Hey guys, so we just got the frame on Thursday. We also got the wheels and the swing arm. This is what it looks like. It's in a silver gray. This is the swing arm right here. It looks really nice. Thanks to Z&T Custom Coatings for doing it. These are the wheels that we got done in the same color. I'm really excited because now we can start putting the bike back together once we get some more bearings and seals. So, back to work.